You can bet this wasn't on the schedule for Maryland Fleet Week.
Oh, crap.
Dick Froderman shared his video with Bay Bulletin after watching the Danish training ship Denmark crash into the Navy's USS Minneapolis St. Paul. You can see sailors making a run for it and pieces of the Denmark breaking off.
And as the chief petty officers were facing me, I was looking over their shoulder and I saw the sailing ship, heading right our way.
Charles Segliomini had just started his tour of the Minneapolis St. Paul a little after 11 on Sunday, following a 9/11 ceremony at the stern of the ship.
When they ran to the front to see what was happening, that's when I turned my camera on.
You can hear the crunch.
I'm not a nautical expert, but I realized that that boat was being pulled too fast, that it wasn't going to make the turn away from us.
And another eyewitness says he was on the deck of the Navy ship with his 4-year-old when he took cover, worried they might be injured by shrapnel from the collision. But he says that didn't happen.
We experienced, I guess, what's the nautical equivalent of a fender bender.
A statement from the Navy says no U.S. Navy personnel were injured and no serious damage was sustained on board USS Minneapolis St. Paul when the Danish training ship Denmark made contact with the moored combat ship while the Danish ship was getting underway from the Baltimore Inner Harbor on September 11th.
We felt it rock, but nothing that knocked anybody off their feet.
The ship was just commissioned in May of this year. Degliomini learned about it briefly before he was told to get off.
It's considered one of the fastest in the fleet and one of the newest.
Fortunately, this was just a bump, not a battle. For Chesapeake Bay Media's Bay Bulletin, I'm Cheryl Costello.